Margaret Newz, all gussied up today. Hey, my little friend was all putting makeup on me. So fun. I think she did a good job with my lips. But anyway, the point of today's video, other than my exhaustion, which is kind of a boring topic, just word to the wise, you know, when you get old, do not go on and on and on and on about your ailments, because really that is boring conversation. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Okay, I think you guys got it, get it good. So, oh boy, we've got a couple stragglers left. So what I wanted to get today is well, you probably can't even see that. Such a tragedy. Oh, darn it. Once again, all we get was the upper crust of my nose. Oh, yeah. I was trying to say, oh, the magic of those birds. Every night they just fly home. It's so beautiful. These blackbirds, every night they just fly in the same spot. And then when I'm watching them, they feel so fantastic. You can just feel their feathers flying in the air. It's so nice. It really is. And there goes the last little one. I don't know if you can see them or not. And I have no idea if you can see them, but oh yeah, you can. You can see them. Oh, they're so delightful. Well, here comes a few more. Aren't they cute? So adorable. I love those birds. Yeah. So I'm drinking water. So I haven't been drinking enough water. Staying hydrated in the summer is no easy task. Yeah. So thank you for watching Margaret Newz today. Yeah. Feeling pretty tired today, but hey. You know, I was just thinking, I'm in my 50s and I'm really hoping for the 60s. No guarantees, of course. Today I'm covered in glitter. But your 60s are supposed to be like your second teenhoods, according to one of my teachers. Yeah, it's supposed to be like your second teen years. And I'm like, oh my God, I hope I can make it in one piece. No guarantees, of course. I think I said that already. I'm just worried. What if I don't make it? God, I would hate, oh no, now I said God, now I've lost like 10 million people out of the US. Really great. Great, I really wrecked my audience. Oh God, I hate this video. It's a disaster. And the lighting is no good to make a new one, because I took the Lord's name in vain. I don't think the Lord would ever forgive me for that. Probably not. It's only us humans that are supposed to be forgiving. God is supposed to be mad at us for every little detail. God's up there going, uh-oh, you said God. Great. You know, I was saying that when I was in 3rd grade, and then the other girls were like, they wouldn't say it, and I never knew why, because we didn't have to go to church. Okay, the cat's out of the bag, people. We didn't have to go to church. In fact, my parents were kind of rebels. They didn't go to church, so there you go. They were, you know, kind of in a different country from where they originated, and they were far, far away from their parents, so they just didn't want to go. And they were like, no way, man, we're not going to church. Church is boring. Well, I guess some churches might be fun. I kind of like Joel Osteen. He's kind of controversial, so there I go again, losing another half of my audience. Yeah. What can I say? Thanks for watching Margaret Newz. Subscribe if you want. What else can I say? I don't know. Nothing really. There's nothing really to say. Nothing to do. There's nothing I have to say. All right? Goodbye. And yes, I love Jesus. Probably more than you do. I don't know. That's kind of harsh. I'm sorry. Forgive me. It's horrible. I'm so sorry. Okay. I do love Jesus. There now another cat is out of the bag. Me and Jesus. We love each other deep in our souls. Oh gosh, more controversy. Does Jesus have a soul? Well, he's not a dog. I guess there's controversy about if dogs have souls, but maybe Jesus has like 10 souls because he's like a super soul. I don't know. I only have one soul. Okay. Well, I shared what I wanted to say, so that's the main thing about the birds. Thank you.